Hello, everybody. It is Tiana here. I first want to say I cannot wait till I make more money so that I can get better equipment. But that is coming, so you gotta believe it to achieve it. I really just want to say first that jumping out into starting your own business or doing anything new, anything kind of not even out of the ordinary because people are doing it every day, but maybe like out of the ordinary for your environment, maybe like your circle. No one's doing that. And so you don't know anything. It's completely new, it's completely foreign, and you're just kind of walking blindly in the dark. I just want to say, do it. That is so much easier said than done. And I'm constantly telling myself the same thing. This video and the purpose of this video was kind of like a pep talk to myself, but I figured maybe other people felt this way too. I can't be alone in this, right? So I just want to say really quickly, if you have a goal, if you have a purpose, if you have a passion, go for it. Do what you need to do to get it done. And, you know, just do everything that you need to do to get it done. Learn as much as you can, look into everything that you can, check out resources because 9 times out of 10, you're not the first, even if you're the second. But you could be the first, and you're the one setting the tone, and you're the one um, creating the path and the trail for people to follow. And even in your own business or goals or passions or whatever they may be, even if you aren't the first, you're the first you. And I've heard that before. You're the first you. You may be doing something that so many other people are doing, but you're not doing it yet. So you make it unique. You make it different. You make it what it is because you're putting your own special touches on it. There's only one you. So, with that being said, I am hoping to continue to bring videos to you all, continue to do more of what I need to do, listen to my own words, and practice what I preach, and just make it happen. So I just want to encourage anyone out there who may be scared, who may feel nervous or like you're not good enough, you're good enough. And even if you fail, get up again. The only person who isn't failing is the one who isn't trying. You know what I mean? So um, just get up and do it. Do whatever it is that you want to do today. There's better no better moment. There's no better opportunity. There's no better chance than right now. So that's all I want to say. I do hope that this helps someone. If it does, and that's you, and this describes you in any way, please leave me a comment below. Also, please like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you all next time. Bye.